possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device.